Late last year, I made a decision to stop applying for UI and UX design jobs because I kept getting rejection emails. But the truth is, I did not just stop applying. I also audited my skills against the job descriptions from companies that I would like to work for. After auditing my skills, these are the things I did that helped me close 70% of the gap that I noticed. The first thing I did was learn how to vibe design and vibe code. Companies now expect designers to be able to vibe design and vibe code because they've discovered that it helps speed up the process. The tools I use for vibe design and code are Google Stitch and Anti-Gravity. Google Stitch is for vibe designing and Anti-Gravity for vibe coding. The reason why I chose Google Stitch is because I can easily copy the design from Stitch to Figma and the files will be imported with the auto layout structure. I use Anti-Gravity because of the freemium plan they have, which allows people to try out vibe coding until they are ready for an upgrade. And I've been able to vibe code a library plugin for a WordPress website, a desktop application, and a web application. The second thing I did was improve my design system skills. Most companies that hire mid-level and senior level designers expect them to design and manage design systems. It would be a disadvantage not to be better at designing design systems, so I decided to learn variations, variables, and the best practices. I also studied other design systems to learn how they structure and document their systems. I'm not perfect yet, but I've made so much improvement. The third thing I did was improve my research and usability testing skills. This is another skill that differentiates junior and senior level designers, and you always find this in job descriptions. So I had to learn how to integrate and use analytic tools like PostHog to watch how users interact with applications. I also learned how to use Maze to set up a test environment for usability testing. Then finally, I learned how to create better user personas. The fourth thing I did was work on advanced projects. I did not just learn these skills, I had to practice them. The first project I worked on was Tax Pilot, an application that helps Nigerians track their income, expenses, and the tax amount they owe without doing it manually. The second project was Viral Miner, a desktop application that helps churches find short clips from long videos in less than 5 minutes. This project helped me practice my vibe design and vibe coding skills. It also helped me implement PostHog, a tool for watching how users behave. This is how I closed the gap between where I was and where I am at the moment. I'm not perfect yet, but I've made so much improvements. If you find this video valuable, please like and share, and you can also follow me for more videos like this. Until next time, keep creating.